Very good morning, student. I am Asim Kumar Mandal. As a mathematics teacher, I representing Santipani Higher Secondary School, Rajoda. Student, class 11th, chapter number 5, trigonometrical functions of the class 11th mathematics. Now, I taking the question number first. Sin theta, cot theta plus sin theta, cosec theta will be equal of 1 plus cot theta. You know that we knows the some identities related to class 10th, just like sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta, 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta, and so on. By the use of the identities of class 10th, we have to prove what is the demand of the question. Prove that sin theta cot theta plus sin theta cosec theta equal to 1 plus cot theta. According to the fundamental theory of trigonometry, ठीक है, in the case of the LHS and RHS we take the largest term. That means according to the question number first, LHS, the length of the LHS is more as compared to length of RHS, so we take LHS sin theta cot theta plus sin theta cosec theta. You know that the value of the cot theta will be equal of cos theta by sin theta, and cosec theta will be cosec theta, that means a reciprocal function of the sin theta, so we taking 1 by sin theta. Here sin theta will be cancelled from the sin theta cancel from the sin theta, so cos theta plus 1. But what is the demand of the RHS? 1 plus cot theta, and we getting cos theta plus 1. Sorry student, there is the cos theta, so cos theta plus 1 can be written as the 1 plus cos theta will be equal of RHS. So we can say LHS will be equal of RHS, hence proved. Student, question number second, we have to prove sec theta bracket 1 minus sin theta bracket sec theta plus tan theta will be equal of 1. I taking LHS. So sec theta, what is the mean of the sec theta? Sec theta will be equivalent of the 1 by cos theta, but 1 minus sin theta, then sec theta will be equal of 1 by cos theta plus tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Now next step, 1 by cos theta is the same, then 1 minus sin theta, and we taking the LCM between the those term, cos theta as a common denominator, then finally will be equal of 1 plus sin theta. You know that the formula a minus b, a plus b, a minus b product a plus b will be equal of a square minus b square, such that 1 by cos theta a minus b, a plus b will be equal of a square minus b square whole by cos theta. 1 by cos theta, 1 minus sin square theta. According to the identity of class 10th, 1 minus sin square theta will be equal of cos square theta by cos theta. Terms both are cancelled, so 1, what is the mean of the 1? That means RHS. According to the condition of question, I can say LHS will be equal of RHS. Student, in the question number 3 we have to prove 1 minus sin theta 1 plus sin theta will be equivalent of the sec theta minus tan theta whole square. Now we taking LHS. What is the mean of the LHS? 1 minus sin theta whole by 1 plus sin theta. In the case of the numerator and denominator, what will we do? Just rationalization. How many types of the rationalization are possible? 2 types of rationalization of numerical and rationalization of denominator. We taking ROD, that means 1 minus sin theta whole by 1 minus sin theta. Student, taking numerator multiply by numerator, so 1 minus sin theta whole square. In downward side, a plus b, a minus b, that means a square minus b square. 1 whole square, that means 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta will be equal of cos square theta. Numerator square, denominator square, so we taking whole square. Now we taking the RHS. What is the mean of the RHS? That means sec theta minus tan theta whole square. sec theta, that means 1 by cos theta, and tan theta will be equal of sin theta by cos theta. Very good, sin theta by cos theta. Cos theta as a common LCM, take a denominator here 1 minus sin theta whole square by equation number second and equation number first. By equation number second and equation number first, we can say LHS will be equal of RHS. I hope student you getting the proper solution of this question. Student, question number 4th, what is the demand of question? Again, prove that under the root 1 minus cos theta 1 minus cos theta will be equal of cosec theta plus cos theta. In the case of root, we have to take ROD. Now firstly we are taking 1 plus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta. ROD, what is the mean of the ROD? That means a rationalization of denominator. 1 plus cos theta whole by 1 minus cos theta multiply 1 plus cos theta 1 plus cos theta. Numerator will be multiplied by numerator and denominator will be multiplied by denominator. 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta whole square. But 1 minus cos theta 1 plus cos theta, a minus b, a plus b will be equal of a square minus b square. Finally 1 plus cos theta whole square whole by 1 square, that means 1 minus cos square theta, 1 minus cos square theta according to the identity of class 10th. Numerator in the same form, but denominator, in the case of the denominator, 1 minus cos square theta will be equal of sin square theta. Numerator and denominator both are in the square form, so we are taking the whole square. 1 plus cos theta whole by sin theta. Square cancel out from the root, then we getting 1 plus cos theta whole by sin theta. Sin theta as a denominator of the each term, we are taking the partialization between the terms cos theta by sin theta. What is the identity of 1 upon sin theta? 1 by sin theta will be equal of cosec theta, and cos theta by sin theta will be equal of cot theta. I hope you getting the proper solution of question number 4th. LHS will be equal of RHS. Student, we taking the another question number 5th. Sec to the power 4 theta minus 10 to the power 4 theta will be equivalent of 1 plus 2 tan square theta. We taking the LHS. Sec whole power 4 theta minus 10 whole power 4. Sec square we can written in the form sec square whole square minus 10 to the power 4 theta. 1 plus tan square theta, according to the identity of class 10th, you know that 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta, then whole square minus 10 whole power 4. A plus b whole square, that means a square plus, student told, b square plus 2ab, then 10 to the power 4 theta. Whole square of 1 will be equal of 1. Square of 10 square, that means 10 to the power 4 theta. Then 2 1 ja 2, 10 square theta, and last term is the 10 to the power 4. Student, just focus. The coefficient of 10 to the power 4 theta is negative and here positive, so cancel from each other. Now we getting 1 and 2 10 square theta. Compare with the RHS 1 plus 2 tan square theta, such that LHS will be equal of RHS. I hope you getting the proper solution of this question. Student, next question, tan A plus tan B whole by cot A plus cot B will be equal of tan A tan B. We taking LHS tan A plus tan B whole by cot A plus cot B. Now tan A plus tan B remains same. Now cot theta, what is the meaning of the cot theta? Cot theta, that means 1 by tan theta, and cot B, that means 1 by tan B. Now tan A plus tan B, now taking the LCM in the denominator, cross multiplication, that means tan A plus tan B by tan A tan B. I hope you getting. Now tan A plus tan B as a numerator, the denominator in the form convert reciprocal form tan A tan B upon tan A plus tan B. Here tan A plus tan B cancel out. Tan A multiply tan B, cross check tan A tan B as a RHS. So in the case when the LHS and RHS are same, we can write hence proved. I hope student you are getting the proper solution. Student, next question, sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square will be equal of tan square A plus cot square A plus 7. Now we taking the LHS. What is the demand of question? Prove that. So we taking LHS sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square. What is the identity of A plus B whole square? A plus B whole square will be equal of A square plus B square plus 2AB. Here A will be equal of sin A and B will be equal of cosec A. So we can write A square plus B square plus 2A and B. Now A plus B whole square will be equal of A square plus B square plus 2A and B. As you know that according to the syllabus of the class 10, sin theta and cosec theta both are opposite to each other. Cos and sec theta both are opposite to each other. So we cancel out sin by the cosec and cos by the sec. Now we getting sin square A plus cosec square A plus cos square A plus sec square A plus, after cancellation of the sin by the cosec, we getting 2 plus after cancellation cos by the sec, we getting 2. Now according to the identity of the class 10, sin square theta plus cos square theta will be equal of 1, and finally 4 plus 4 will be 2 plus 2 will be equal of 4. Here cosec square A plus sec square A, 4 plus 1 will be equal of 5, but we need 7. So 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. We can write 1 plus tan square theta in the place of sec square theta, 1 plus tan square theta. But we know that the identity 1 plus cot square theta will be equal of cosec square theta, 1 plus cot square theta. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. We are arranging according to the RHS. Firstly tan square A, then cot square A plus 7. I hope student you getting the proper solution of this question. LHS will be equal of RHS. All 6 questions are the variation of the exercise number 5.1. ठीक है, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस यूट्यूब चैनल।